dire, se ci rimettiamo a pensare se tu pensi, oggi l'economia è fatta per costringere tanta gente a lavorare a ritmi spaventosi per produrre delle cose molto più inutili, che altri lavorano a ritmi spaventosi per faticare, perché questo è ciò che dà soldi alla società multinazionale, all'azienda, dà felicità alla gente. Io trovo che c'è una bella parola in italiano che è molto più calzante della parola felice, ed è contento, accontentarsi, uno che si accontenta.
So you warm it here and then you're gonna pour it in the snow?
Yeah, so you gotta reduce it because right now it's too thin.
Right.
So it wouldn't like thick enough. So you need to reduce it so you can evaporate a lot of the water out. And then you just have to be careful because if you overheat it too quickly, it actually will reduce all the way into sugar. Which I've already done to see many times. So you just put it on like a slow simmer. It takes like a little bit of time. Yeah.
Stuff melts.
He's a lot.
Terribly cool.
Hopefully this is like
We are making the maple
enough. It's very like
taffy.
I feel like I'm fine. Okay, I gotta go first. Oh my god.
Need some poutine to go along with this.
No, it looks good.
Nice.
Here.
Your fork?
Fork. Yeah, get it. Get it. Yeah, it's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, buddy.
There you go.
So you've also done this before, Jordan?
Yeah.
I think it's just like really powdery snow.
Damn good.
Nice. All right.
Is it going? Oh, it's a video, right? It's a video? Yeah. Okay, you doing the internet? Everybody sits down one step after. Yeah.
We'll take a couple, we can take like funny poses or like whatever.
Okay.
Whatever.
Oh yeah, any other smiling one?
Yeah, I'll just take still, so like whatever you guys want to do.
Okay, so first a smile and 3, 2.
And like what do you guys want to do?
Oh, my eyes
Should we do a jumping picture? Yeah. Oh, the
Always gotta have a jumping picture.
Yeah, sorry, I really didn't think anyone was getting into that corner, so
I like the Backstreet Boys where like you face the other way and just turn around.
Oh yeah, that's so funny. We should do that. Okay.
See you guys. Okay, so jumping first.
Wait, no, we're doing
Everyone turns around.
something, whatever else. That's
You like look forward and then on. Wow. So count it in.
back at it.
If it's a video though, why are we doing it on a camera?
I don't know.
Alright.
It'll be like synchronized. Like,
Hey, should we jump?
yeah.
Yeah, look at this.
Now we have to.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright.
That's fine, I was behind
Awesome. Any more ideas?
Should we throw snow? Yeah.
you. Snow on the camera, not the camera.
Not on the, like up in the air. Okay, ready?
Like LeBron James.
3,
We are all witnesses.
2, 1.
Goddamn. Y'all just do that in my fucking face.
Yes, look
Thank you, Marcus.
No worries.
È un uomo felice, perché questo sistema fondato sulla crescita dei desideri, no? C'è sempre un desiderio che per te è raggiungibile, rende tutti infelici.